In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a manual journal into Xero. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but by following these steps, you'll have it down in no time. Let's get started. First, head over to the Xero website by opening your web browser and typing in "xero.com" in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll want to look towards the top right corner for the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now, enter your login credentials, your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Xero homepage. With the homepage in view, direct your attention to the taskbar menu along the top. Here you'll find a drop-down labeled Accounting. Click on this and a menu will appear. Within this menu, you need to find Manual Journals. Once you spot it, give it a click as well. Now that you're in the Manual Journals section, look for the Import option. This is where we'll start the process of importing your journal. Click on Import, and this will take you to a page with an option to download a CSV template. It's crucial to download Xero's CSV template for manual journals at this step. This template ensures that your data is formatted correctly before you attempt to upload anything. Once you've downloaded the template, it's time to prepare your journal file. Open the CSV file using your preferred spreadsheet application. Here you'll need to fill in the details for your journal, the date, account codes, and the debit and credit amounts alongside any tax rate and narration if necessary. A key point to remember is ensuring that your debits equal your credits for each entry. This balance is fundamental in accounting, ensuring the books are kept in check. After you've filled out your CSV template creatively and accurately, it's time to upload it. Go back to the Xero import page and look for a button that says Browse or Upload. Click on it and navigate to where you've saved your completed CSV file. Select it and hit Open. With your file uploaded, Xero provides a preview of the data. This is your chance for a final review. Take a moment to double check everything looks correct. If any errors pop up, you might need to go back to your CSV, make the necessary corrections, and re-upload. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, the last step is to complete the import. Simply click on Complete Import and watch as your journals are successfully added to Xero. And that's it. You've now imported a manual journal into Xero. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a few times to get comfortable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.